Hello guys, welcome to Ferdinand Tutorials. In this video, we'll be looking at 5 important project topics that you should work on as an undergraduate of either biochemistry, microbiology, or other life science courses. Now, most of the time, you're in your final year and then your supervisor is expected that you submit a specific project topic that you can work on. But you don't really have an idea of a particular topic to choose, either it's in the medical, industrial, or not. You don't really have an idea. So in this video, I've prepared 5 project topics as an undergraduate in Africa, in Nigeria respectively. So, and I've given you reason why you must choose this particular topic. So the first topic here is evaluation of the nutrition and anti-nutritional composition of commonly consumed local vegetables in Nigeria. When we're talking about local vegetables, we are looking at something like your pumpkin, your fresh tomatoes. They are what? Local vegetables here in Nigeria. So in this project, you will get a fresh tomato, or you go to the market, get a pumpkin leaves, and then you evaluate it. You analyze the nutritional composition and even anti-nutritional composition of this particular vegetables. That's your project topic, the first one. And the second one here is assessment of the antimicrobial properties of extract from indigenous plants against common pathogenic bacteria. Now, when I was an undergrad, I worked on GCMS analysis of the ethyl acetate extract of onion skin. In this particular topic now, we're looking at plant extracts, the antimicrobial properties of plant extract. Let's take for instance the extract you're talking about here is onion skin. So what is the antimicrobial properties of that onion skin? And the third topic is investigating the effects of environmental pollution on the biochemical parameters of aquatic organisms in a specific Nigerian river. Specific Nigerian river we're talking about can be in your local government river, your village river. Are we there now? When we're talking about aquatic organisms can be your fish. Are we there now? It can be some leaves, some plants. Are we there now? So look at the aquatic organism. So we're saying that we use aquatic organism as a parameter. Are we together now? To check the effect of environmental pollution in your village. So for you to actually carry out this research, you must do practicals. That's when you travel to a specific river, identify a particular organism, and then work on it. Remember that any solution you bring out in this particular topic will help world of science. It will help the world of biochemistry, world of microbiology. It's very essential. Are we there now? Now the fourth one there is analysis of the biochemical changes associated with diabetes mellitus in Nigerian population. This is a research whereby you go out there, you carry out your research. You can go to a particular community and then say, okay, in this particular community there are many people suffering from diabetes mellitus. You can get out 15 persons. Are we there now? Look at their biochemical changes. Are we there now? Carry out a biochemical analysis to identify the biochemical changes. Are we together now? And then analyze those biochemical changes, especially individual with what? Diabetes mellitus, not diabetes insipidus. Diabetes mellitus in the Nigerian population. And remember, in Nigerian population, we are many. Over 200 million people are living in Nigeria. So you have a lot of data to carry out. You can go to a community and then you see a lot of people. Are we there now? So that is what we're looking at in this research. And then remember that your results will also help the body of science. We have the body of biochemistry, body of microbiology. So when you are doing all this research, don't do it grudgingly as if I'm being forced, so let me do this thing and rest. No, do it with your whole mind, so that at the end of the day, your result will speak of the work you've done. Now, the last one here is production and characterization of biofuels from agricultural waste materials in Nigeria. I'll go again. Production and characterization of biofuels from agricultural waste materials in Nigeria. Now, when we're talking about biofuels, now biofuels is different from fossil fuels. We have what we call fossil fuels. Are we there now? Now, fossil fuels causes environmental hazard. It affects our ecosystem. Are we there now? So when we're talking about biofuels are kind of important. They are necessary. They are useful. Are we there now? They don't really affect the ecosystem as per what fossil fuels. Biofuels are gotten from living organic materials. They are a form of a renewable energy gotten from what? Living organisms. So we say production and characterization of biofuels from agricultural waste materials in Nigeria. I would say that this is more like one of the most important topics here. Are we there now? I'm not saying they are all important. 5 of them are strong topics. Do you understand? So choose from these particular topics and then you can work something out. And then if you've chosen this topic and then you're finding it difficult, to research on it, to work on it, I've already prepared a video on how you can start your project work. I will there now on how you can start your from the scratch till the time where you write your report and then submit. I will link that video in the description. Ensure you watch. Please, most of you are not subscribed to this channel. How do you expect us to grow if you're not subscribed to this channel? So click that subscribe button and I'll see you again in my next video.